Hey guys, I'm in the shop and I want to talk to you about Starlock. What is all this talk about Starlock? Starlock is basically it's Bosch's newest approach to high performance application based multi-tool interface. So multi-tool interfacing with accessories. And it's stupid simple to use. Basically the interface or the goal for Bosch is getting more power, more precision, and more performance out of your multi-tool and accessories. We recently took a look at the Bosch StarlockMAX. It's their oscillating multi-tool GOP40-30. And this is actually the 40-30, but we got the kit. How does this whole Starlock interface work? Well, the Starlock interface system works off of accessory blade contact. Typical blade attachment will contact the tool in two locations, usually some pinholes and maybe a crimper or a pin, and whereas Starlock accessories have a three-dimensional connection, making it more secure and able to obviously get more out of your cutting tools, less vibration in the piece, more torque, all of that stuff. Starlock also features a no-touch quick change, so you can put it on with one hand, but you can also take it off super quick. So blade changing is fast and blade removal is easy, and I love that whole auto-ejection. The best part about Starlock is the blades are backwards compatible with the OIS systems and OIS compatible tools. Bosch's whole goal with this was to create a more aggressive line of multi-tool accessories and with larger cutting surfaces as well, more surface to cut. The interface system was jointly developed by both Bosch and Fine, and we all know that Fine was the trailblazer with multi-tools and the blades. So basically the blade grades for Bosch include Starlock, which is their universal blades for everyday use. They fit Starlock interfaces and are backwards compatible to Bosch OIS, Fine, Makita, and Milwaukee, as well as other tools. And then there's also the StarlockMAX, which is what this is, and these are extremely heavy-duty blades for tough pro application type cutting, including cutting through a 2x4 in one pass, long enough, deep enough to make it right through a 2x4. They have those extra long 80mm blades that offer fast speed but also deep plunge cuts, and that's useful in some applications. Starlock is color-coded. Bosch uses a color-coded system for each Starlock blade, and the color coding is on the face of the blade right here. It allows you to choose the proper blade for the correct application, and it even tells you what it's for. White, all-purpose applications, wood and nails. There is gray, that's wood and laminate applications. Then there is blue. Blue is for cutting metal and other tougher type materials. Purple is for softer materials, including sealants, caulking, and even cutting carpet. And then there is brown, and brown is used for the grout removal and abrasive type bits, including sanding, grinding and sanding. Let's talk about using the Starlock, the Bosch StarlockMAX multi-tool. So the multi-tool, a couple of things that I want to talk to you right off the bat. I love the way Bosch shapes their multi-tools. They're really well shaped. They've got a good grip. The barrel-shaped body is small enough to maneuver and kind of turn around, but large enough that it still creates some heft and some weight. It's only 3.5 pounds, and it's fairly compact. Generous rubber overmold in the usual locations, and a really nice long 13-foot cord with a ball joint swivel in the back here. And I really like the long cord, especially for interior applications, because usually you have an outlet nearby. Simple on-off switch, soft start motor with a 1 to 6 variable speed, which is 1 is 8,000 up to 20,000 oscillations per minute. It's not a noisy tool as far as decibels are concerned. And when you use this tool, you don't hear that metallic blade sound. A lot of times you hear that metal rattle, and I'm guessing that's the Starlock gripping the blade, which, like I said, really grips that blade and gives you that extra torque. So there's no slop in that accessory. The tool has a ton of power, easily cuts metal, wood, nail-embedded wood, screws. I didn't use it to sand. It's not primarily what I do. We're mostly cutting and plunge cutting in remodeling. Probably my favorite feature of this tool is, next to how powerful it is the accessory changing. A simple push of the blade in any direction attaches the blade. And it's like similar to attaching a socket to a socket wrench, a ratchet wrench. A quick release just comes right off, and if you don't grab it, it's going to go flying. It'll pop it right off. Look, this thing has a shit ton of power. I mean, it's a corded tool, it's powerful, and when you combine it with a really aggressive Bosch wood blade, you're making quick, clean, and precise plunge cuts. I was testing it in the shop with oak, maple, pressure treated. I did some scribe cutting in 100-year-old baseboard trim, super clean cuts, real easy to do. So if you're looking for a corded version of a multi-tool with a boatload of power, look no further, because the Bosch Starlock Plus and Max oscillating tool is really nice. Please subscribe to this channel, and you can read the entire review on toolboxbuzz.com. Take care.